Hi everyone, it's Sharon with Sharon Sews. Welcome, I'm so glad that you're here. In today's video, I'm going to share with you what I wore for last week, week 2 of MeMadeMay. What I discovered is, first of all, I tend to pull out the same thing over and over and over. So this has been a really good challenge for me to actually pull out and think about what I'm wearing and pulling out some of those things that I've made that are just sitting in the closet. Second, what I have discovered is that many of the items that I've sewn and that are in my closet are too warm for the weather that we are experiencing. For those of you that don't know, we moved from beautiful but very cold Minnesota to beautiful but very hot and humid Texas. And all of the fabrics that I used to sew the items that were appropriate for Minnesota really are not working here. I put them on and I am way too warm. It's just not appropriate. So that's gonna be one of my challenges as I continue to sew through the summer season. And then also for week 3, I am going to challenge myself to wear a dress or a maxi dress or a skirt. I have a lot of those in my closet and I find that I am not wearing those. Even if it's just to go to the grocery store, I'm going to put one on. Here's what I wore last week.
This dress is Vogue 9112. I sewed this back in 2015. It is a lightweight linen from Hancock Fabrics. Who remembers Hancock Fabrics? I still miss them. Anyway, I wore this on Mother's Day. We went over to a friend's house and we had a cookout and we were outside and we did our social distancing just to celebrate Mother's Day, as neither one of us was able to have our adult children with us this year. This is just a great summer dress that I really do think this is the year that I need to sew myself another one. The top that I'm wearing to walk the dog, or she walking me, is the Eureka top from the Sewing Workshop. It's just a simple pullover knit top, very boxy, very oversized, and I sewed it out of a rayon knit from Emma One Sock. This top is from the BurdaStyle July 2018 magazine. It is top number 119. I actually wore one last week's video also. The one last week was blue and white out of a rayon knit. This is blue and purple out of a polyester knit, also from S.R. Harris. You can see this deep scoop back. I had to add a tie this time to keep it from falling off of my shoulders. And it's got the really nice slitted half-length sleeves. It ends in a tie at the elbow. And this is just one that I pull out quite often. This is a Hot Patterns pattern, the Deco Vibe Artemis knit top, sewn out of a lightweight Ponte knit with a little bit of a sparkle that I purchased at S.R. Harris. It's another one of those tops that I pull out and I don't think I'm going to like it, and then I enjoy wearing it and think that I should sew myself another one. One of my favorite tops, Simplicity 8601, sewn out of a knit, a border print knit, and of course I'm very happy because my machine has come back from the repair shop. This is probably my least favorite top. This is from the BurdaStyle May 2018 magazine, top number 113. I love the pop of color with the fringe along the front, but I really hate the way this top looks on me. I just feel sloppy in it.
Those were my makes for the second week of MeMadeMay. As I said, next week I'm going to challenge myself to wear a dress or a maxi dress or a skirt. We'll see how that goes. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet so you don't miss future videos. Check in next week for week 3 of what I wore for MeMadeMay. And until then, have a blessed day and happy sewing. Those were my makes for the second week of MeMadeMay.